Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're exploring NationBuilder, a powerful platform specifically designed for organizations and movements looking to build and mobilize their communities. Let's dive into the features of their website, nationbuilder.com, and see what they offer. NationBuilder provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing and growing your community. Their platform goes beyond simple website building and delves into the realm of genuine relationship cultivation. They emphasize building lasting connections with your supporters, enabling you to understand their needs and motivations on a deeper level. The website itself highlights the core functionalities of NationBuilder. You'll find detailed information on how to build a dedicated website, tailor-made for your organization's needs. They emphasize the ability to craft a visually appealing and user-friendly online presence that can effectively communicate your message and engage your audience. Beyond website building, NationBuilder focuses on the power of integrated email marketing and fundraising tools. This integration allows for seamless communication and streamlined donation processing, minimizing administrative overhead and maximizing your reach. You can cultivate deeper relationships with your supporters through personalized communications and targeted campaigns, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. The website showcases how NationBuilder empowers organizations to effectively manage events, whether online or in person. From ticketing and registration to post-event follow-up, NationBuilder provides the infrastructure to create impactful experiences for your community. NationBuilder's focus extends beyond just tools and technology. They offer a range of resources, including training materials, best practices, and a supportive community forum. This provides a valuable network for learning and sharing experiences, helping you make the most of the platform. NationBuilder clearly emphasizes building sustainable movements, providing tools to not only acquire new supporters but also to nurture existing relationships and foster long-term engagement. They understand the importance of community building for lasting impact, and their platform reflects this commitment. Visit nationbuilder.com to explore their features in more detail and see how they can help you grow your movement. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more insights on the latest tech tools for social change. See you in the next video.